There was a differentiation between short notes and long notes, the short note being contextualized to a piece of context, an annotation or a memo, a long note being something that's constructed, a summary, and more applicable to a higher level, so at unit level. So being able to reply to that note was functionality that was requested by a student. And here's a quote: mentions where at a specific part in the reader you mark any comment, say at Dr. Hibling for example, you then ask your question and the person this was directed to could respond. By using at name, another student is notified when they have been mentioned or tagged in a student's note. The reason the student's making this comment is because this is the technology that they're used to on a day-to-day basis. In a WhatsApp group, if you type in the @ sign, it brings up the people that are in that group and you can then message that person. Students differentiated notes from discussion, forum and chat tools and the functionalities in notes versus discussions versus forums versus chat. Notifications were important if you are going to have communication inside a notes tool, being able to know that something that I shared has been responded to, be it in-app or be it via email, is important for students. Interesting thing with chat, as I've said earlier, is that it's not used for learning, but more used for administrative and social purposes. With respect to collation and collaboration, students are doing this actively and they're utilizing existing software such as Word, OneNote, Evernote, and Google Docs.